everyone, welcome to African Not Food. I hope everybody is doing well. If it's your first time coming to our channel, we welcome you and please do subscribe and stay with us. So today I have Bamfo Bisi, also known as Ariesu, for you guys. So here I have my cornmeal. So my cornmeal, I have separated them into two. I'm going to cook one here, this one here, and one here. I'm going to mix it with the cooked one. That one won't be cooked, yeah. And also we have peanuts, roasted peanut, and then we have nutmeg here. That's optional. And then we have sugar here. Half a cup of sugar, like two tablespoons of sugar. I have water and I have dry cornmeal that I'm going to dip my hands in to mold my Bamfo Bisi. So let's go ahead and start cooking. So in here I'm going to add water into my dough. That's it. To my cornmeal, sorry, not dough, cornmeal. A bit of water, that much. Let's have a cup here, a cup of water. So now I'm going to cook this for about 10 minutes on my heat stove here. Yeah. So what you do, you just stir and you leave it. You stir, you leave it, you stir until you know you have a dough. So as you can see, my dough is forming now. It's like you're making banku, fufu or akpele, the same way. It smells nice. See, it's almost formed now. I'm going to leave it another 5 minutes and then it will be ready. Yeah, so you can see my dough, my banku or akpele is ready. So I'm going to take this out. In this my dry one, I'm going to add my nutmeg and the sugar and mix it together. And the sugar you can add as much as you want, yeah. So mix them together like that. And you can taste it if it's sweet enough. If not, you can add a bit sugar into it. My one is alright. So now I'm going to put the cooked one in there. And then mix them together like you're doing the banku the same way on your pots. Just mix them together. So here I'm going to add my peanuts. It's optional. You don't have to mix it like that. You can just mold it and and stick your peanuts. I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so I'm going to add a bit here and I'm going to do another one and show you how. Okay, I'm going to dip my hands into the flour here so it won't stick. So I take just one here without the peanut, yeah, and I'm going to mold it like that. Yeah, that's the shape that we need. That's it, this way. And then what you do is you take your peanut and then you stick in like that. You turn the other side the same way. But what I found that sometimes when you do it this way, when you're frying your Bamfo Bisi, the peanut will pop out, it will come out, you know, and it won't stay. So I find a better way. So this is the one. Okay, so the better way I found is mix the peanut with the dough here and mix it together. So that way it goes everywhere. It will be inside, outside, and it will stay. That's it. I'm going to add more. I like peanuts, so I'm going to add more. Let's see, I mix it like that. I know a lot of people do it different way, but I find it this way easier to do. So now I'm going to mold it. Okay, so what you need is just a small size, not too big, so you cook through and it will be, you know, easy to, it will cook faster. My camera lady doesn't speak. The camera girl. As you can see, I have molded my Bamfo Bisi. Now I'm going to fry in this oil. It's vegetable oil. It's hot already, so I'm going to dip the first one. See? So I'm going to cook the first one, yeah, and then I'll show you. So as you can see, the Bamfo Bisi is cooking. We need to leave it until it turns into golden brown, and then we take it out. It's almost there. So I have been cooking this for about 2 to 3 minutes now. Yeah, we'll be ready soon. So this is the color that we're looking for. Yeah. Okay, so this one is ready. More to go. So I'm going to cook the rest and then I'll show you. Let's see. This is how. This is it. We finish our Bamfo Bisi. It's nice and crunchy the way I like it. So look at that. I'm going to open one for you guys to see how it looks like inside. Oh, look at that. It's nice and crunchy. Look at that. Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? And the taste, I'm going to taste it. It tastes really nice. Very, very, very nice. So the one that I picked and pick the peanut on it, you can see all the peanut are falling off here, and some of them are here. It's there, but the one that I did mold with the peanut is still intact. You can see it's inside here. See, and this one, all the peanuts are gone. So if you haven't tried this way before, try it and let me know. Thank you for coming today, and please do like, share, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up and comment. Thank you for coming today. Bye bye.